Yeah, we might.
Oh, your throttle's stuck? We are at Onion Lake. Holy fuck! That's awesome! Just turn it right here, because then we only have to get through that little, and then we can get up the hill that's already like gone down. I would say that would be easier, better than going front. Lift the front end. Yeah. Oh my god. Woo! Woo!
Yeah. That's deep, yo. Oh my god.
I'm so tired. We're going down the mountain. Oh my god, and my GoPro died. So you guys can't see any of this. It's wild. What the heck? I'm so tired, I could hardly even hold my camera right now, so I'm gonna let you guys go and enjoy our evening. Yeah! The nut! Woo! Pump day 2!
Spot, like I'll give you lots of room, but I might be back too far.
Yeah, I'll give you a little more room this time. I was right on your tail.
You're always right on
I
my
was
tail
like,
this
let
weekend.
me be right on your back.
Are you me? Yeah, I could hear you, but I love it.
I love it. Yeah, I got to put up phones down.
Oh, nice.
South aspect, so it gets a little bit dusty already.
Yeah.
But it's a pretty flowy trail and it's pretty smooth, so I like it.
Yeah. I just sat through that.
Oh, fuck that. You know what? I've done a couple of Shane Cuthbertson said, if you have to sit, just put your hips over your fucking pegs and fuck it. Like,
yeah, and I felt like had so much just on like the sand part, and then I just like felt it was so much easier just climbing.
is a really good amount of sheep pups.
Yeah.
Okay, hold on.
What do we do? Static balance drill, slow race.
Oh, nuts out. Chairs out. Oh! Oh, edges out! Oh! Oh, he had it!
Day 3 at Onion Lake, and I get to ride with Kenny and Nat and Shannon, Sam and Mike, Mel. Very stoked, but this is the first time that Kenny and I have rode together in a year. So let's go.
Oh, okay. Oh, yeah, yeah.
Okay, it's not like a big deal. I'm just nice to know.
Okay, so it just wraps around. So just follow the trail. Okay.
Follow the trail, babe.
Okay. See you up there.
I'm not walking that. This is cool, hey?
Except for a bunch of nails sticking out the bottom. So you must do it from down.
You think? You don't think people climb up it?
A little careful still. Well, maybe. Just the bottom's real shit. These are neat features.
Oh yeah.
Why is there a soda?
A what?
Why is there soda?
Cool. Nice!